So in this pandemic, in this pandemic times, a lot of people are putting in, efforts to help us fight the disease. I'll tell you about one of them. There's an organization that's spending 500,000 Ghana cedis, and they're doing this to provide free health care to Ghanaians for 1 month. I have their representative who will tell us more about this. Dr. David Sunu. He's a chief medical officer of BIMA Ghana. Now that's the organization putting in this measure. Dr. Sunu joins me via Zoom. Doc, thank you very much for your time this afternoon. So, first of all, I understand that your organization is a tele-medical health provider. Tell us about your operations. How really do you work so that we can understand the impact of your intervention in the fight against the pandemic?
Okay, thank you so much, and greetings to your viewers. So the organization is BIMA Ghana, and we are a leading provider of mobile delivered insurance and telemedicine services in Ghana. We've been running since 2010, and I would say that in terms of insurance, we've paid more than 250,000 claims so far. And in terms of the telemedicine service, we are delivering this service to over 60,000 clients all across Ghana, doing about 8,000 consultations every month, and that is the scale of the service that we are providing so far.
Right. So you're saying that for the next 1 month, you are putting in $500,000, is it dollars, to provide free services to Ghanaians. Tell us about it. Help us to understand how it fits in the scheme of affairs, if you get what I mean.
Sure. Thank you so much. So there are two things we are doing. One, for our existing customers who are on our B-Health policy, we have spent part of this period during the COVID-19 era educating them more about COVID-19, the preventive measures. We have done this by engaging them via SMS and recorded voice messages. We have also, in conjunction with our underwriter, Alliance Life Ghana, set aside 500,000 Ghana cedis to support these customers. These are about 45,000 customers that are eligible for this. We are supporting them with funds to enable them purchase protective gear, and this could be face masks or hand sanitizers. And the process is such that these customers just need to call our customer service number, and once they call, they will be connected to our health team that will educate them before even the money is sent out to them, because we believe that the protective gear alone is not enough. They need to do social distancing. They need to do proper hand washing. Right. So that is the offer we have for our customers. Now for Ghana, we are actually offering a free access to our telemedicine service from now till the end of June. And so what it means is any Ghanaian at all simply needs to dial a short code, *789 *96#, *789 *96#. Once you dial this short code, it would take details like your name, and by the next day, you will receive a confirmation that you are on our free BIMA doctor service. It means that 24/7, you have access to medical staff, actually medical practitioners, who are available via a toll-free line for you to obtain consultation for any health concern that you may have, not limited to COVID-19. We know during this period, people have challenges accessing hospitals. There are issues with costs of healthcare, and we believe that offering this to Ghanaians in general will relieve the pressure on the health delivery system that we have in Ghana. And we think that this is something we should do as a company that is seeking to protect the future of every family. We think that this is something that will really help the Ghanaian, and that's why we are doing it.
And so for the free services, it doesn't necessarily have to be someone who is already your customer?
No, not at all. I mean, our customers already have access to our doctors over the phone. So we are opening this up to everybody. Everybody located within Ghana simply needs to dial the code, and if I may repeat, it's *789 *96#. Once you dial this, within 24 hours, you receive a confirmation that you are on our free service. And this runs from now till the end of June. We believe this will be very impactful for the Ghanaian at this crucial moment.
And when they do that and they are signed on, when you have any, you can essentially make inquiries, or you can essentially have access to a doctor on phone.
Absolutely. So you have access to a full bouquet of our BIMA doctor service. It means that, one, you have access 24/7 to a doctor over the phone via a toll-free line. So no, you don't need airtime to call. You also will be signed on to one of our health coaching programs. It means that you can choose a program that would inform the kind of health tips we'll send to you once every week. And it also means for you, not you alone, but also your family, so yourself, your spouse, and all your children. Because for us, like I said, we believe in protecting the future of every family. And as a company operating here in Ghana, we think this is one of the things we need to do to alleviate the pressure on the health delivery system of Ghana, and that's why we are doing this.
Sounds good. Sounds good to me. So once again, the code is *789 *96 #. That's *789 *789 *96 #. If you dial this on your phone right now, you get connected to the free services that BIMA Ghana is providing, and it's up until the end of June. Dr. Sunu, thank you so much for this intervention, and thank you for your time here on The Pulse.
Thank you too.
Dr. David Sunu is Chief Medical Officer of BIMA Ghana. They are a telemedicine health provider, and they are looking to make their services free from now till the end of June for you if you dial *789 *96 #.